Why does your scanner show the P2169 engine code? What does it mean? P2169 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure regulator vent solenoid control circuit open. This code indicates a malfunction in the exhaust pressure regulator vent solenoid control circuit. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: corrosion or water intrusion, failed solenoid coil, blown fuse, control module fault, damaged wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Ford, and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.